Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies, and in this video we are going to discuss the ideas of Norman Bryson. Introduction. Norman Bryson, born in 1949, is a prominent British scholar renowned for his contributions to the field of comparative studies. Bryson's work stands out for his interdisciplinary approach, particularly his application of polarities from literary theory to art history. His innovative perspective has enriched the understanding of art by introducing concepts from literary theory such as connotation and denotation and syntagmatic and paradigmatic relations. By doing so, Bryson has provided a new lens through which to analyze and interpret visual art, moving beyond traditional stylistic analysis. Literary theory meets art history. Bryson's work is characterized by his ability to merge the methodologies of literary theory with art history. He employs concepts like connotation and denotation, terms typically associated with semiotics, to explore the multiple layers of meaning in visual art. Additionally, he draws on the syntagmatic and paradigmatic opposition, a fundamental concept in structural linguistics, to dissect how elements within a painting relate to each other both in sequence and as part of a broader system. Word and image, a new perspective on French painting. One of Bryson's most influential works is Word and Image, in which he examines French painting from the era of Charles Le Brun to Jacques-Louis David. Rather than viewing these artworks as merely successive styles, Bryson proposes analyzing them through the interaction between what he terms the discursive and the figural. The discursive refers to the narrative, rhetorical aspects of a painting, while the figural pertains to the visual, non-verbal elements. Reinterpreting Chardin beyond Rococo. Bryson's approach allows for a re-evaluation of artists like Jean-Baptiste Simeon Chardin, whose work is often seen as a poor fit within the Rococo style. Instead of judging Chardin's paintings as systematically incongruent, Bryson suggests viewing them as a blend of the discursivity characteristic of Le Brun and the figurality associated with Antoine Watteau. This perspective shifts the focus from stylistic conformity to the dynamic interplay of visual and rhetorical elements within the artwork. Conclusion. Norman Bryson's scholarship has made a significant impact on the study of art history by integrating concepts from literary theory. His innovative approach encourages a more nuanced understanding of art, one that goes beyond stylistic labels and delves into the complex interaction between word and image, narrative and form. Through his work, Bryson has opened up new avenues for interpreting and appreciating visual art, making him a key figure in the field of comparative studies. So this was the discussion on the ideas of Norman Bryson. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.